Alright, look, man. I ain't been recording that much, you heard? I ain't been recording, making no videos, you understand me? But we gonna get back into it. I ain't posting 3 days, but we gonna get back into the groove of recording, man. I ain't posting 3 days, but we gonna get back into it, man. I just been chilling, you know what I'm saying? Just checking myself. You understand me?
Bruh, shut your bitch ass up!
But besides that, you already know, man, Flight Reacts making random noises. It's been trending all over YouTube. You heard me. So you already know I had to get it up, man. Man, finish the intro, bro. What you doing?
I don't want to fuck. As a pill poppin', he don't ever mean much. I was dirty boy, I was friend with the plug. For the work, next week, something up.
What's good, man? You already know what it is. My bad. You already know what it is.
You must be ready to attend this barbecue, my brethren. Yeah, barbecue. Boy, your head on swole lilium, frozen helium tank head there. Your ass like an unpaid Eddie Griffin with a brain tumor. Matter of fact, your shit like a swollen elbow with arthritis, fat head ass, gumball machine head ass, Squidward head ass, Bobby's World head ass, James and the Giant Peach head ass, Muffin Man head ass. Your ass like an extraterrestrial gang member, ugly ass, boy. Matter of fact, when you go to sleep at night, you don't even have dreams. Your ass have TV series, season 1 through 12 head ass. Your shit like a balloon floating in the air. Let the Goodyear blimp head ass, boy.
Man. Anyway, you already know what it is. Come on.
Cut your hair, boy. That hair like all fucked up, bro. What
My
the?
daddy did.
Damn, your daddy shit fucked up too.
My hair kind of messed up, but yo, look at my hair, bro. I comb my hair out, bro. Bro, I comb my hair out and look at that.
Bruh, shut your bitch ass up.
But anyway, got 2 reactions. I mean, really one reaction. But it's like 2. I don't want the video to be too short, so I got 2 2-minute videos. But with editing and stuff, it's probably gonna be about 10 minutes. Flight Reacts. Making weird noises or making noises, something like that. I've seen different compilations. I only seen one compilation of him, but you know what I'm saying? We got this, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button before y'all even start the video. And yeah, man, I hope I get a laugh out of this, man, because it take a lot for me to laugh, especially if it's like on that kind of funny tip. So we gonna see, man. Anything else? Nah, that's it, man. Yeah, that's it. If y'all didn't see my diss, bro, go check out my diss. On Dirty Face Zay, aka Zach Juice TV. Y'all go ahead, run that diss up, man.
Yeah. You so slow, you don't even know. Get money on the go, pick you up like a pro. I'm so lit, glad I glow. I put a tag on your toe, I make you hit the limbo. Shooting shots at the window, pull up on you with extender, aim it right at your pillow. Shot is A, giving me duties, feel like a camera, I shoot like a nudist. I gotta do this for the bread.
Alright, man. Flight Reacts, first video. You know what I'm saying? Start it now. Let's do this, man. I can't smush my hair, man. My barbershops is stupid being closed, bro. I ain't trying to catch no Rona, man. Alright, bet. First video, let's go. Bruh. Bruh. Oh God. This is just weird, bruh. Oh. What is he doing? Bro, the tongue, bro. This dude made the weirdest sounds, bro. Same with the weirdest videos. I mean, like, he make the weirdest stuff. It seem funny, bro. I swear to God. This man Flight, bro.
Bruh, that irritated me, bro. Was he putting some kind of bleach or chemical into some what was those? The breads? He was putting some kind of chemical in some bread Jordans to the 11s, man. Bruh, heck no. Couldn't be me, man. That's some J's, bro.
What? What? Huh? Huh? What? What? Huh?
Bruh.
Cap, amazing Cap. Green.
Not the shoulder movement, man. Not them shoulders, bro.
Better than the rap.
Bruh.
You don't know what slow you would that she tryna rap. And be
Bruh, I seen that song, bruh. I seen that video the other day. I don't know when I saw it. It was him reacting to somebody, reacting to a song or something. I don't know. It was like a prank. I don't know. But I seen that exact video yesterday, man.
another case. What the fuck?
Alright, yes sir, you understand me, yes sir. So basically, y'all go run up the person that made this thumbnail, man. I'll put his channel in the description and his IG in the description. But y'all run him up, man. So basically, I got story time coming out after this video, you understand me? My bad. But yes sir, I got story time coming out, man. So basically, I got some more music coming out. I just been working. I ain't really been making videos like that. This was supposed to be a 2-part video, like I said, but it was too long to edit and I didn't feel like doing all that. I wanted to get that content out there soon and ASAP. So ASAP like Rocky, you understand me? So yeah, man, y'all run me up, man. Subscribe, like, comment.
Stupid.
Alright, my bad, y'all. This is the last time I'm doing this, right? So I'm also starting this thing. I'm gonna make stuttering. I'm gonna make thumbnails. I can edit videos for y'all and stuff like that. Just hit me up in my IG or comment section of my videos. Yes sir.
I just spent 35 grand on a humbug. Half of the shit I went and spent with the gun plug. Nigga more strapped than a middle-aged dyke style. Lead the boy land where he stand like a bathtub. Tryna keep it cool, but this bitch gon' make me act up. Nigga back up, go somewhere and get your racks up. I will use my gun if I had to. Big FN, I would not need backup.